Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Charger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth sport seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, STD, quick order package 29 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, granite pearl coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique Dodge grille badge gloss black IP cluster trim rings satin black Charger deck lid badge black one-piece performance spoiler, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, FFV, and tires, P245/45R20 BSWS performance.